a lot of technical know-how to achieve the mechanics and what's known as the focus position. And also with the ocular, all of the optics that are up in this end of the binocular. This is the other huge difference with the SF. The SF, as you can see, stands for smart focus. Well, maybe you can't come closer and you will see. It stands for smart focus. Smart focus being that it's a beautiful smooth action and that it is very few revolutions between that sort of distance I just described, 4 or 5 meters and infinity. That's not to say it compromises on close focus, because one of the things I do, you know, we're birders, maybe, but we're also natural. I'm a naturalist. I regard myself as an all-round naturalist. And I want to be able to look at a dragonfly or a butterfly or a flower as readily as I do a hobby or a golden eagle, which means I want really close focus. And I am now going to focus as close as these binoculars are able, and it is, from where I'm standing, I can see a dead fly. And the dead fly is there. So that's the close focus capacity of these binoculars, which means I can not only see it's a dead fly, but it's a Domestica house Ferrari. I made that up. I don't make flies. But it is a dead fly. It's quite revolting, actually. I can see all the details. So the close focus capacity is astonishing. But the real innovation, and no one's going to tell us how it really happened, and the man who invented the mechanism is amongst us here, Jerry, but it's moving all of the mechanics of the binocular from the midsection, which is what you see in everything else around you out here, all the top end stuff.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, good.
If I do that.
Let's find our adjudicators.
Yeah.
Next we have, let me see, no, explain the rules. Yes, I forgot those basically. There'll be 2 rounds, 2 and a bit rounds possibly. I'll leave that lying in midair. And first round will be a specialist subject, you know, rather like most of mine. And the second round will be the general knowledge one. In a way, the first one, the specialist subject, has the most potential for embarrassment. I hope you people do realise that, because they're basically saying, I know everything about this subject, and then when they know very little whatsoever, it really is humiliating for them. I mean, do what you like, hiss, boo, whatever, send back your membership to whichever it is. Oh, God almighty, they don't know what they're doing. And
Bill, before you go too much further, you need your timekeeper.
I know.
And the adjudicator.
I know.
They're panicking over here.
Oh, are they? Oh, right, you want to come on? Alright, okay. Yeah. Hogging it as usual, it's been the same for 26 living years. First of all, your timekeeper, Mr. Tim Appleton. Cheers. You've got a team, because you little bell, very well. Have you I've forgotten what to do. You never lose it, do you, Tim? And of course, the scorer, the scorekeeper,